Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. I am Manju Dilip. Today I am going to start with the 12th standard mathematics topic indefinite integration part 6. We already studied in the previous video about some special integration. So today we are going to solve some questions related to this some special integrations formula. The first question is evaluate integral 1 upon 4x square minus 3 dx. So let I is equal to integral 1 upon 4x square minus 3 dx. Now we have to take this 4 outside of this one to make this coefficient of x square as 1. So integral 1 upon 4 into x square minus 3 upon 4 dx. That is integral 1 upon 4 into x square minus this 3 upon 4 can be written as root 3 upon 2 whole square as a perfect square. So we can apply this formula. So integral 1 upon x square minus a square dx is 1 upon 2a log mod x minus a upon x plus a plus c. This can be written as 1 upon 4 into this 2 into in the place of a it is root 3 upon 2 log mod x minus root 3 upon 2 upon x plus root 3 upon 2 plus c. Now this 2 and 2 cancelled in this one. So 4 root 3, 1 upon 4 root 3 log mod, taking LCM here. So 2x minus root 3 upon 2x plus root 3 upon 2. Now this 2 and 2 will cancel in the next step plus c. So the integral of 1 upon 4x square minus 3 dx is equal to 1 upon 4 root 3 log mod 2x minus root 3 upon 2x plus root 3 plus c. Next question is evaluate integral 1 upon 25 minus 9x square dx. Here again you have to take this 9 outside of this one. So let I is equal to integral 1 upon 25 minus 9x square dx is equal to, you can take this 9 outside in the denominator. So integral 1 upon 9 you have taken out here. So 25 upon 9 minus x square. Next you can make this as perfect square. So integral 1 upon 9 into 5 upon 3 whole square minus x square dx. This is in the format of integral 1 upon a square minus x square dx. That's equal to 1 upon 2a log mod a plus x upon a minus x plus c. That's equal to 1 upon 9 into 2 into 5 upon 3 log mod 5 upon 3 plus x upon 5 upon 3 minus x plus c. So here you can cancel one of the 3 times are 9. So 3 2s are 6 into 5 is 1 upon 30 log mod 5 plus 3x upon 3 upon 5 minus 3x upon 3. This 3 and this 3 cancel in the denominator. So integral 1 upon 25 minus 9x square dx is equal to 1 upon 30 log mod 5 plus 3x upon 5 minus 3x plus c. That is the answer for this question. Next question is evaluate integral 1 upon root of 3x square plus 8 dx. Here again you have to take this 3 outside of this root. So first of all you will take this 3 inside this root, square root, then you will take it out. So let I is equal to integral 1 upon root of 3x square plus 8. That's equal to integral 1 upon root of 3 into x square plus 8 upon 3 dx. That's equal to integral 1 upon root 3. You can take it out. So root 3 into root of x square plus this 8 upon 3 can be written as 2 root 2 upon root 3 whole square. Now this is in the equation of integral 1 upon root of x square plus a square dx. That's equal to log mod x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. So that we can apply here. So that's equal to 1 upon root 3. You can take it out here like this. Log mod x plus root of x square plus 2 root 2 upon root 3 whole square plus c1. 1 upon root 3 log mod x plus x square plus 8 upon 3 plus c1. That is 1 upon root 3 log mod x plus root 3x square plus 8 upon 3 plus c1. That is 1 upon 3 log mod root 3x plus root of 3x square plus 8 upon root 3 plus c1. Can take this, this is log a upon log b format. If you want you can take this one outside. So you will get like this. So in the next step you can convert this into 1 upon root 3 log mod root 3x plus root of 3 square plus 8 plus c. If you are doing till here, that is also okay. This way also you can do it. So instead of writing this constant terms minus 1 upon root 3 log root 3 plus c1, you can write capital C. In the next question, evaluate integral 1 upon root of 11 minus 4x square dx. Here again you have to take this 4 outside of this one. So integral 1 upon root of 4 into 11 upon 4x square dx, that is integral 1 upon this root 4 is 2 into root of root 11 upon 2 whole square minus x square. This is in the format of integral 1 upon root of a square minus x square dx, that is sin inverse of x upon a plus c. Applying this 1 upon 2 into sin inverse of x upon root 11 upon 2 plus c. 1 upon 2 sin inverse of 2x upon root 11 plus c, that is the answer for this question. Next question is evaluate integral sin x upon sin 3x dx. So let I is equal to integral sin x upon sin 3x dx. We have sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. That's equal to integral sin x upon 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x dx. By using this formula, we are just substituting the value of sin 3x in the denominator. So we will get integral sin x upon sin x into 3 minus 4 sin square. We have taken this sin x outside of this term dx. So integral 1 upon this of this sin x and the sin x in the denominator cancel. So 1 upon 3 minus 4 sin square x dx. Now divide, if this term is in this format, so divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. So integral 1 upon cos square x upon 3 upon cos square x minus 4 sin square x upon cos square x dx. You have to remember this step, otherwise you will not get the answer properly. So integral 1 upon cos square x is what? It is sec square x upon 3 into 1 upon cos square x is sec square x minus 4 tan square x. So that is integral sec square x upon, this term can be converted into 3 into sec square x is the term here. So 1 plus tan square x, by fundamental identity you can convert it like this, minus 4 tan square x dx. That's equal to integral sec square x upon, you can multiply this 3 inside. So 3 plus 3 tan square x minus 4 tan square x dx is equal to integral sec square x upon 3 minus tan square x dx. So put t is equal to tan x. This is substitution method we are solving here. So if you are giving t is equal to tan x, dt upon dx is equal to sec square x. So therefore dt is equal to sec square x dx. So this function I will become, I is equal to integral 1 upon 3 minus t square dt. Now this is in the format of 1 upon a square minus x square, you can make it. So in the next step you can write this as integral 1 upon root 3 whole square minus t square dt. And we know this formula, we have integral 1 upon a square minus x square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a into log mod a plus x upon a minus x plus c. That is what? That's equal to 1 upon 2 into root 3 log mod root 3 plus t upon root 3 minus t plus c. So this you can replace this t. What is the substitution for t here? T is tan x. So we are substituting that. So 1 upon 2 root 3 log mod root 3 plus tan x upon root 3 minus tan x plus c. So therefore integral sin x upon sin 3x dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root 3 log mod root 3 plus tan x upon root 3 minus tan x plus c. So in this question you have to remember the substitutions properly, and we have to apply this we have to divide the numerator and the denominator by cos square x, so you can make it like this. Otherwise you have to do with other method. This way also you can do this. So some exercise questions are given to you, you have to solve it. Thank you.